check that your feet are still in this nice shoulder width distance position. If you feel like you need to perform this exercise sitting down, then absolutely do so. From this standing position, just lifting the hands, and imagine that you're holding a basketball in front of you. So really keeping nice and relaxed in the shoulders, just check that you're not holding any tension there. Breathing in and out through the nose, using your abdominal breath. And close your eyes for a moment. And think of that basketball between your hands. But rather than it being a basketball, it's a ball of energy, a ball of qi. So you might notice, maybe not immediately, but after a while of practicing this exercise, that there's like a magnetic force between the hands, maybe a tingling. It's almost as though the hands want to be they're connected in some way. Now opening the eyes, and what we're going to do now is just, with the hands in this position, a really lovely twist to the side. And we're twisting from the waist area. So if you can, keeping the hips, the points of the hips here facing forwards like the headlights of a car. Now they will turn very slightly, but don't think of moving the whole body to the side like this, with the hips moving all the way around. What you want to be looking at is twisting in the waist. So keeping as much as you can, keeping the hips facing forward, and the waist is twisting. So what you're feeling is it's like you're wringing out the muscles in the sides of the body and in the back as well, in the upper back area. So for anyone with any back issues, go very easily with this. So hands in this lovely position. Take a breath in. And the exhalation leads the movement. So as you exhale, just slowly turn to the side, twisting in the waist. Head goes with that. And then turning back as you inhale. And exhale to the other side. And inhale. And 3 more to each side. So really thinking of that lovely twist you feel in the sides of the body. Opening up the channels or the meridians of the liver and the gallbladder. And you'll know if you're moving the hips a little bit too much with this, because you won't feel that twist so much and that movement in the muscles of the back. If your hips go with this twist, you won't feel too much at all. And again, looking for a lovely smooth flow, breath leading the movement. And coming back to the center, allowing the hands to drop down by your sides. Give them a little shake out. Close your eyes for a moment and bring your mind to the back of the body. And just observe any sensations you feel in the back. From the shoulders, all the way down through the shoulder blades, the upper back area, the mid back, into the lower back. And see if you can identify any areas that now maybe feel a little bit looser, or are there any areas that maybe are a little bit tight, and that's given you more information about the Qigong exercises which may be of benefit to you to loosen up those areas. and gently opening the eyes.